Hello, class. This is the Writing 2 guide. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Just remember that I will put this PPT on eClass. So it's a good idea to download it and check it before you do the writing, while you're doing the writing, and then after you finish your writing. So for Writing 2, you must write a very short essay with one introduction paragraph, that's 3 to 4 sentences, one body paragraph, that's 8 to 10 sentences, one conclusion paragraph with 3 sentences, and you must use you must write with a topic from the Writing 2 guide, which I will show you soon. So how many total sentences do you need to write? I'll give you a moment to think about the math here. Okay, so the correct answer is 14, right? 3 plus 8 is 11 plus another 3, that's 14. That's the minimum, right? The maximum would be 16, right? 3 plus 10 plus, or sorry, no. That's that would be 21 actually. It would be 4 or 17, sorry. It would be 4 plus 10 plus 3 is 17. So the maximum would be 17. Okay, and 17 is great. I would recommend doing 17. Also, your writing should have a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. And the sentences should only be about the topic. Don't just put in random sentences. So for the paper, for Writing 2, I'll grade it very similar to how I graded Writing 1. Preparation is pretty much the same. Type it on a computer, save it as a .doc or .docx file. This is probably more common. Don't use Hangul word processor, okay? And email it to me by, not bye-bye, hold on. It says bye-bye. There we go. By 11:59 p.m. on the due date. Students that don't use the .docx file style will lose points. So if you use .hwp, you will lose points. Same with PDF. I don't want PDFs either. Just give me the .docx file. Students that don't email me the writing by 11:59 on the due date will lose points because it will be late. My tip is send it before class, but you don't have to. You can send it on the day. And I make these rules because I need your writing so I can check it. And also, I want you to use typing because it's good to practice typing in English. And also, some students have bad handwriting, just like me. Next is the format. So again, you need to put in the correct information. You can download the file to put in your information so you don't have to make it yourself, right? You can just come, when you click on this link, you can just go to File, Download, Microsoft Word. And you must also use the correct paragraph formatting. And this is the PPT that we already looked at. It's this one, how to format a paragraph. This was on the how to write a paragraph PPT. So you should have it already, but if you don't, you can always click on the link here and check it out. For this essay, you must have the correct paragraph and sentence types. So as I told you, you have, sorry, this is part of your content grade. So for your content grade, you must have an introduction paragraph. That's one hook, some bridge sentences, and one thesis statement. You need a body paragraph, which is one topic sentence, 6 to 8 body sentences, which are supporting details, and one concluding sentence. And then you need a conclusion paragraph, which is one summary sentence with a, with a list, right? List of the supporting sentence ideas. You need to restate your thesis, and then you need one opinion, suggestion, or prediction. Sentences should be clear, understandable, and unique. You will lose points 4 sentences that are difficult to understand, repeat ideas or information, and aren't about your topic. So that's the one that you pick, okay? If you don't remember all of these paragraphs and sentence types, you can always check out the How to Write a Paragraph PPT and the Essay Writing PPT. That will explain everything if you forgot. Grammar, spelling, and punctuation, this is graded the exact same way as your writing 1. So you should understand this by now. Just remember, don't use these. And also, it's a very good idea to read your writing after you finish it. That will help you find and fix your mistakes. And to earn the highest score possible, use a variety of subjects in your sentences, right? Don't start every sentence with the car, or whatever, my friend, right? Don't ever, change it, right? Write the most sentences, writings with, this says 16, that should be 17. Let me change this. 17, 16, and 15. Oops. We'll get the highest possible score. And just remember, use those simple, compound, and complex sentences, okay? And that is it for the guide here. I do have this other quick guide, or, useful, the guide with the useful information. So here it has blanks that you'll need to fill in. So write one, introduction, right? Introduction, paragraph with 3 to 4 sentences. I'll let you finish this, but I think you can figure out the answers from the PPT. This is just a good way to check and make sure you know what you're doing. So if you can answer all these blanks, you know exactly what you're doing. Here are the topics that I told you about. So you must pick one and only one topic, okay? But I do want you to understand that these topics will be used again in writings 3 and 4, but you can only use each topic one time. So maybe think about, which topic you want to use for writing 2. This is our probably one of our shortest writings. So maybe go with, maybe save your easier topics for writings 3 and 4. That would probably be a smart thing to do. And you can see here, they have some pretty clear guidelines. This is, cause and effect. So this one says only write about the positive or negative, not both, right? That should say, yeah, effects. Positive or negative effects, not both, okay? So make sure you read these and understand these. If you have questions about these, please email me and I'll try to explain them. I'm pretty sure I made them pretty clear here, but I don't know. We'll see. And then again, here's the grade. Just a quick note on the grades. So if you don't remember all this, just check out the Writing 2 PPT. The checklist, remember, this is very important. This will help you get your planning and your writing started. This is not something you have to submit, making a list of ideas, sentence, feelings, examples, right? This is not something you have to submit, but I always recommend students start with this before doing the writing because it helps you to get your ideas onto paper, and then you don't have to constantly remember what it is you're trying to write about. So that way you don't lose ideas, and it'll help you just get started, get motivated quickly, and you'll actually find that you'll write better and start and finish the writing to assignment quicker. So just remember, don't forget the formatting, right? Day and time. Also, this is all the things you need to write, right? The introduction, 3 to 4 sentences. I'll let you guys fill in the rest. And just remember, each paragraph type must have the correct sentence blank, right? Check to make sure everything's clear and understandable. And on the topic, also unique, right? And then check for your writing, spelling, and grammar mistakes. And to find these mistakes, read your writing 1 or 2 times, or ask a classmate, ask one of your another student from class to read it. They'll probably help you catch any mistakes. And make sure you erase all of this stuff. None of this. We don't need these. And just email it to me before 11:59 p.m. on the due dates. And then save and keep your writing. This is important for the writing fix, which I will explain later. But just for now, know that you need to see it. You really should save and keep your writing. Okay. And that is it. If you have any questions, please email me or message me, and I will try to help you out, or I will help you out. That's all. Take care.